Mynegi barn, brawddegau cyfathrebu ar 15 bendigedig. I like. Dwi'n hoffi. I don't like. Dwi ddim yn hoffi. I enjoy. Dwi'n mwynhau. I don't enjoy. Dwi ddim yn mwynhau. I love. Dwi'n caru. I don't love. Dwi ddim yn caru. I really love. Dwi'n dwlu ar. I really enjoy. Dwi wrth fy modd gyda. I can. Dwi'n gallu. I can't. Dwi ddim yn gallu. I am. Dwi'n. I don't neu I'm not. Dwi ddim yn. He is. She is. Mae un neu mae o'n. Mae hi'n. I was. Roeddwn i'n. I wasn't. Doeddwn i ddim yn. He was neu she was. Roedd un neu roedd o'n. Roedd hi'n. I will. Byddai'n. I will not neu I won't. Fydda i ddim yn. He will neu she will. Bydd un neu bydd o'n. Bydd hi'n. I would. Byddwn i'n. I wouldn't. Fyddwn i ddim yn. He would neu she would. Byddai un. Byddai o'n. Byddai hi'n. I should. Dylwn ni. I could. Gallwn ni. I went. I had. I did. Sef made. Es I. Ces I. Gwnes I. I ate. Bwyteais I. I played. Chwaraeais I. What do you think of? Neu what do you think about? Beth wyt ti'n feddwl o? Well, I think that the something is something. Well, dwi'n meddwl bod yn. Once again, you're talking complete rubbish. Unwaith eto, rwyt ti'n siarad rwtsh loer. Obviously you'd say that, wouldn't you? Yn amlwg basa ti'n dweud na fasat. I admit it. I'm not quite sure why you disagree with me. Dwi'n cyfadde. Dwi ddim cweit yn siŵr pam wyt ti'n anghytuno â fi. So, what exactly are you saying? Felly, beth yn union wyt ti'n dweud? What's your opinion on this topic? Beth yw dy farn di ar y pwnc yma? Well, I'm of the opinion that it's... Well, dwi o'r farn ei fod yn... Well, I have an opinion, of course. Well, mae barn gyda fi, of course. Okay, I see. And I agree with you, I think. Iawn, dwi'n gweld. Ac dwi'n cytuno â thi, dwi'n credu. You must agree with me, surely. Rhaid fod ti'n cytuno â fi, mae'n siŵr. Oh, here we go again. Why do you think that? This. Oh, dyma ni eto. Pam wyt ti'n meddwl na? Ni.